Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and purchase San Diego Zoo tickets online. This is a very simple thing to do, and if you want to skip all the annoying queues and long wait times, you can purchase the tickets using the first link you're going to see down in the description of this video. Once you open up that link, it's going to take you to the official tickets page right here where we can get started getting them. So what you're going to do is click the check availability option. This is going to enable you to check all the available dates we have for purchasing those tickets. Let's say we want to purchase them for the 11th right here. You're going to select the date and then you can select what kind of ticket you want. Let's say an adult one. So basically you're going to add an adult ticket and then we can go to the next page. This is going to take us to the experience page where we can see similar experiences. We can save money on if you're interested. If not, just click no thanks and go to the personal details. And now we can go ahead and fill out our personal info such as first name, last name, email address, phone number, and so on, all the important stuff. And once you filled it all out, we can go to the next page by clicking next. It's going to take us to the payment page. This is going to open up this new payment methods option where you can take a look at all the payment methods available such as Apple Pay, debit and credit card, or PayPal. You can choose whichever one suits you the most. Let's say debit and credit card. Once you open it up, it's going to look like this where you can get started filling out all your information, and now we can get started paying by clicking the pay option, and it's going to enable us to make the purchase successfully. Once you have done so, your tickets are going to arrive on your email address that you have used for registering your account on this platform and that you have provided in the personal details page. So there you have it. Go to the description of this video, find the link, and get started purchasing your tickets today. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.